This one using this man. The problem of you people, my brothers in Acholi, what I have observed from you since 2021 until now, you have only one problem. You don't like us people from Baganda. People from the other side, if we put here food, we first eat food, then we fight. But you people, when you put here food, you want to fight before you eat. That is the problem. I have to tell you, my brother, you have to be very bright now. This time things are changing. First you eat, then you fight. Instead of fighting before you eat. And anybody here naturally want to be a leader. I'm the boss. You can't tell him, you can't lead me. You can't lead me. Try, my younger brother and sister, try to avoid those things. Trust your leader. Try to talk to your leaders openly. You just give him a respect to lead you, but he's a human being like you. He eats like you, but the chance you have, you trusted him and you elected him, is representing you now. Trust him. If you done a mistake, call him instead of going, that is the same. In leadership, there is big problem in leadership. I'm telling you. Right now, we have a meeting now. Tomorrow they can call you, come and meet Madam Sylvia and present your proposal. Someone behind say, you meet that man. They took 200 million from Sylvia. Don't you see them standing with Sylvia? You see that thing. Please be patient. Get the first-hand information. Talk what you know, what you can talk. My English is not good, but at least you can understand what I'm talking, my colleague.
Yes.
For those few words, I'm sorry. I was wanted to come and meet you direct. Someone over where you get some information that Tony Semple is going to meet you bouncers that they have. He mobilized a lot of people. I came here, I was scared. I told them I'm going to meet bouncers. How this lady comes here? That's why I call this ghetto mother. Come and handle your ladies. My program is only bouncers. I don't have a program with another people. It's only for you. That's why I'm organized them. I don't mix those things. Okay? Thank you very much. Let me give my king, because I've been working with him in Chitugumu, in every ghetto region, everywhere I've been working with this king. Allow me to give him only 2 minutes or 3 minutes to talk to you in your language. We finalize, we pray, then our chairman closes the meeting. Afoyo, thank you very much.
Asante sana.